Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English grammar, chapter number 12, omission. Okay. In the book it is not given chapter number, but I have given it so that it will be easy for you to identify. Okay. This is not a main topic or main chapter जैसे कि होते हैं tenses, then your subject, verb, concord and so on. ठीक है. This is the exercise which includes different topics or different chapters like articles, then prepositions, then determiners and so on. ऐसे चैप्टर जो है उनकी एक्सरसाइज आपको इस प्रकार दिखाई देगी. Okay. So in this way paragraph is given in this chapter called omission, and in that paragraph in each and every line there is one word omitted, means one word जो है वहां पर मिसिंग होता है. और वो one word कौन सा होता है? It may be an article, prepositions and so on. ग्रामर के अलग अलग टॉपिक्स. ठीक है. So you have to read this one line properly and you have to identify the suitable word जो वहां पर मिसिंग है. ओके. और उस मिसिंग वर्ड को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है and you have to write down over here at the place of missing word. यहाँ उसे लिखना है, underline करना है, and then also you have to write down the word before that and the word after that. Okay. See for example over here part and India. If you can see a large part India's population. So one word is missing over here. So you have to write down the word before that over here. That is before and the word after. And in between the missing word जो यहाँ पर miss हो रहा है वो है of. ठीक है. So it includes the chapter जैसे अभी मैंने आपको नाम बताया. And these chapters are not new for you, though we have not studied. ठीक है. हमने आर्टिकल्स अभी देखा नहीं है, प्रेपोजिशंस अभी देखा नहीं है, लेकिन वो चैप्टर्स आपके लिए नए नहीं है. लास्ट ईयर भी पढ़ा होगा, उसके पहले भी. ठीक है. सिंस वेरी लोअर क्लास यू स्टडी फ्रॉम फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. ये सब चीजें आर्टिकल्स, देन प्रेपोजिशंस. आर्टिकल्स क्या होता है? दे इंक्लूड्स ए एंड द डिफाइनाइट आर्टिकल्स एंड इनडिफाइनाइट आर्टिकल्स. ओके. Whereas prepositions are known as positioning words. They tell us the position of noun pronoun in a sentence. They relate the other word with the subject. Then prepositions are in, on, under, near, far, below, between, in front of, by the side, between, among and so on. ये सब क्या है? Prepositions होते हैं. Okay. So let us solve the given question. So one by one I am going to read the one line and we have to identify the mistake and the missing word we have to write down as well as the word before and after. So let us read the heading first. In the passage given below, one word has been omitted in each line. Okay, one word is omitted in each line. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after against the correct blank. Correct blank means at the correct place. ठीक है. See here, I am making blank. So आपको यहाँ पर you have to write down the answer in correct blank. Numbering should be correct. Okay. एक आंसर आपने बी में लिख दिया, it will be wrong. So a large part India's. So यहाँ पर already we have written the word. For example, of is missing and the word before and after is part and India. So before and after word we have already written over here. So in every exercise you are going to see one example solved. Okay. Now a large part of India's population is illiterate. अब ये read करके सुनने में और समझने में अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है. So it is a correct sentence. Illiteracy is biggest evil. अब इस वाले लाइन में मिस्टेक है. Illiteracy is biggest evil. So if you see the word biggest, एडजेक्टिव को हमें याद करना है. ठीक है. पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री अगर हम बात करें, द वर्ड बिगेस्ट शोज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. और हमेशा सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव डिग्री के साथ उसके पहले हम कंपल्सरी यहाँ पर द लगाते हैं. ठीक है. सो द वर्ड मिसिंग ओवर हियर इज द. देन आफ्टर द वर्ड इज बिगेस्ट जो आपको याद रखना है, और बिफोर जो है वो है इज. So आप इज यहाँ लिखोगे. ठीक है. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू solve omission exercise. So read again. Illiteracy is the biggest evil. अब देखो समझ में आता है. Of the Indian society. Next, removal illiteracy is necessary. Removal not illiteracy नहीं कह सकते, तो हम यहाँ पर हमें कहना पड़ेगा कि removal of illiteracy. So missing word over here is of. ठीक है? And the word before that is removal. And the word after that is illiteracy. Okay, one more thing, आंसर को आपको अंडरलाइन करते जाना है, ठीक है? मिसिंग वर्ड को. नेक्स्ट, so removal of illiteracy is necessary and all round development. यहाँ पर मिसिंग वर्ड यहाँ है और वो है removal of illiteracy is necessary for. It is necessary for. So before that word is necessary and the word after for is and. So removal of illiteracy is necessary for an all round development of the country. ठीक है? As illiteracy affects areas of life. It affects areas of life. लेकिन कौन से areas of life? So one word also missing over here and that is all areas of life. Okay. So the word before we have to write down. Underline this word. Affects all. Then the word after is areas. Now let us read the paragraph by using the solution. ये वाला solution के साथ हम read करेंगे. Then you will understand the paragraph clearly. So a large part of India's population is illiterate. Illiteracy is the biggest evil of the Indian society. Removal of illiteracy is necessary for an all-round development of the country, as illiteracy affects all areas of life. Okay, तो जब हमने मिसिंग वर्ड को ढूंढा है और उसके साथ हम पैराग्राफ को रीड करते हैं, then the paragraph is very suitable to read and understand as well as listen. Okay, so in this way you have to identify the missing word and you have to solve the exercise. Okay student, I hope you understood it. Thank you.